Add garlic and red pepper flakes to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 5 tablespoons of butter and stir. Add loosely chopped asparagus. Stir in. Add pre-cooked leftover protein. I chose pork belly. Add half a cup white cooking wine. Reduce and cook until alcohol flavor has left. Drain pasta, shake, and then add in the noodles. Mix in. Try the best you can to plate it. I tried to get all fancy and it didn't really work. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and follow.